Dear students, as you know, in this video we are going to learn about the number system. A system which helps us to read the large numbers, that is numbers with 7, 8 or 9 digits. So here first we have the Indian system of numeration. So let us have a look at its chart. Students, as we have a look here on the chart of the Indian system of numeration, here we have first the ones period, which is divided into three places: ones, tens and hundreds. The second period is of thousands, which again is divided into two places: thousands and 10,000s. Next we have the period of lakhs, which again is divided into two places: lakhs and 10 lakhs. And next we have the period of crores, which is divided into two places: crores and 10 crores. So children, you can have a look at the first example. Here you can see an abacus showing the large number, a number in crores, right? So before reading the number, we would like to count the beads on each rod. So that is, at the ones place we have 3 beads, at the tens place we have 5, hundreds place we have 1 bead, at the thousands place we have 4, 10,000s place we have 2 beads, at the lakhs place we have 5 beads, at the 10 lakhs place we have 3 beads, and at the crores place we have 1, and at 10 crores place we have 2. So what is the number represented here? The number represented here is 21 crores. These two will speak together places, and then 35 lakhs will speak together, and 24,153. Now children, one thing I would like to explain here, that we write the number simply, and then what we do is, in Indian system of numeration, we put some commas. First comma is after 3 digits, then we have the second comma after 2 digits, then again a comma after 2 digits, right? So you have to particularly note how to put comma according to the Indian system of numeration. Here we have one more example, and if I count, I have 6 beads at the ones place and 1 bead at the tens place. What specially we have to note is that we have no bead at the hundreds place. So how to read these kind of numbers, right? So what is the number shown here? The number shown here is 25 crores. As you know, these two places we speak together. Then 24 lakhs, 23,000, and at hundreds place we have no bead, so these two places are left with us, 60. So the number becomes 25 crores, 24 lakhs, 23,016. And again you can note here that the commas are after 3 digits, then second comma is after 2 digits, and then again comma after 2 digits, right? Now here you can see one more example, and in this example I have no bead at the lakhs place and 0 beads at the crores place, right? So how will I speak the number? The number here is 30 crores, 50 lakhs, 42,131. Now here we have one more example on the screen, and here you can see children, at ones place I have 0 beads, At the hundreds place also I have no bead, and at the 10,000s place also I have no bead. So you have to specially practice this kind of numbers where we have 0 beads or 0 at 2 or 3 places in the number. So what is the number here? The number here shown on this abacus is 34 crores 52 lakhs 1020. Right? So this was all about the Indian system of numeration. Children, now next we have the international system of numeration to read larger numbers. So here you can see the chart of the international system of numeration. Here also ones period we have, then we have the thousands period, and the next one is millions period. So ones period is divided into 3 places: ones, tens and hundreds. Then next we have the thousands period with 3 places: thousands, 10,000s and 100,000s. Similarly, millions period is also divided into 3 places: 1 million, 10 million and 100 million. So children, now here you can have a look at the first example to read the number according to the international system of numeration. You can see here again all the rods at the ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, million, 10 million and 100 million are filled with the beads. So what is the number shown here? The number shown here is, how will I speak? I speak these 3 places together, that is the millions period. I will speak together 123 million, then 454,000 and 321. Right? So children, here you have to specially note that this is a 9-digit number and I am putting a comma after first 3 digits, then again 3 digits and then again after 3 digits. Right? So children, here one thing more I want to tell you, that if the same number I have to show in the Indian system of numeration, how would I put the commas? Yeah, I would have put the commas first after 3 digits, then after 2 digits and then after 2 digits. But in international system of numeration, the commas are given here after 3 digits. So now let us have a look at one more example. Here children, you can see no bead is at the millions place. So how will I speak the number? As I have said you, 3 places we have to speak together. So what is the number shown here? The number shown here is 140 millions 241,331. And the things to be noted here is, again the commas are after 3 digits. Let us have a look at one more example. Here specially I have used 0 at 2 places, hundreds and 10,000s place. So how will I speak the number? 3 and 3 places together. If I have to speak, the number shown on the abacus is 345 millions 201,024. Right. Now let us have a look at one more example. And here you can see, children, 3 rods of hundreds, 100,000 and millions are having no beads, right? So what is the number shown here? The number shown here is 210 million 24,035, because we have no bead at the hundreds place.